Most orbital sanders sold online are underpowered junk that clog instantly. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever used a noisy, overheating sander that ruins your project? Relax, this video solves it with clear, reliable picks for every project. Today, I'm going to be going over the best orbital sander that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DEWALT DWE6421K. Right out of the box, this sander exudes rugged durability with a practical, straightforward design that appeals to seasoned woodworkers and DIYers alike. For first-time buyers, the kit format and straightforward controls deliver quick setup without sacrificing execution quality on site. Its compact 5-inch footprint and lighter weight reduce hand fatigue, while rubber overmolded grip cushions vibrations for extended, comfortable sessions. The separate counterweight design reduces vibration, and the improved dust-sealed switch protects against dust intrusion for longer life. The rubber overmold in critical areas provides grip security and dampens chatter during aggressive passes, improving control and comfort. The dust port is designed to fit directly to the compatible DEWALT DWV series collectors, streamlining setup and minimizing airborne dust during operation. To attach the dust port to other vacuums with 1 1/4-inch hoses, use DWV 9000 Universal Quick Connector. In practice, the sander maintains consistent sanding pressure thanks to the counterweight and a balanced orbit, yielding uniform swirls. During real-world testing, dust collection proves functional with the locking bag stabilizing airflow and capturing most surface dust. The motor delivers 3 amp power to rotate the pad at 12,000 OPM, enabling rapid material removal while maintaining a smooth finish. The shorter design allows users to get closer to the work surface, improving precision on tight corners and awkward angles. In head-to-head testing, this DEWALT orbital sander kit feels steadier than the BOSCH 625 due to counterweight design. The pros include notably low vibration during extended use, comfortable rubber overmold grip, and highly efficient dust collection. The cons include higher price compared with similar models and no variable speed control for fine finishing tasks. At number 4, we have the DEKOPRO Orbital Sander. Designed for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers, this sander targets finish quality, comfort during long sessions, and reliable performance in diverse projects. The 5-inch sanding pad keeps a compact footprint for precise edge work while accommodating a broad range of sanding tasks. Its ergonomic rubber grip and low vibration design offer comfortable control, reducing hand fatigue during extended sessions every day. Sturdy construction combines a durable housing with a dust box, giving the tool a robust feel appropriate for demanding shop environments. The balanced counterweight design minimizes hand fatigue and vibration, enabling longer sessions with steadier results on flat surfaces. A generous 16 sanding discs included cover course through fine stages, expanding versatility without needing immediate purchases today. The hook and loop system speeds paper changes, reducing downtime and keeping workflow flowing during large projects daily. Powered by a 2.5 amp motor, the sander maintains steady torque at high speeds across wood and metal tasks. Its maximum RPM reaches up to 14,000, providing rapid material removal with fine control and minimal gouging on delicate surfaces. Improved dust collection with a detachable bag reduces debris and simplifies cleanup after a long sanding session significantly. Compared to the Black & Decker model, the DEKOPRO Orbital Sander delivers a smoother finish and quicker disc changes in practice. The pros include strong build quality, low vibration, and efficient dust handling that keeps the workspace cleaner during extended projects. The cons include relatively higher price compared to entry-level sanders and corded power limits mobility in large workshop tasks. At number 3, we have the BOSCH ROS20VSC. From the first impression, this palm sander targets professionals and serious DIY woodworkers who demand clean finishes and efficient dust management. The build quality centers on a rugged housing and a reliable hook and loop disc attachment that keeps pads secure. At roughly pocket-friendly dimensions, the ROS20VSC feels balanced in hand and reduces fatigue during extended sanding sessions. The motor delivers a wide, no-load speed range, enabling precise material removal from soft woods to hard finishes. A vacuum dust collector with a microfilter system traps fine dust and allows easy emptying of the canister between tasks. In head-to-head with the Makita model, this Bosch sander offers finer dust containment and noticeably smoother finishes. The pros include efficient dust collection, ergonomic grip, and minimal swirl due to dampening. The cons include a higher price point and a bulkier footprint compared to some competing models. In practical testing, surface finishes showed rapid material removal with minimal gouging, and the dampening system helped prevent swirl marks. Setup is quick thanks to easy disc changes, and the canister detaches smoothly for mess-free disposal. The variable speed dial covers a broad range so carpenters can balance aggressive material removal with gentle finishing. A soft carrying bag keeps the sander organized and portable between projects. Emptying the canister is straightforward, while the microfilter should be cleaned regularly to preserve suction. Overall, the BOSCH ROS20VSC stands out for dust control, finish quality, and user-friendly design in professional toolkits. At number 2, we have the BOSCH ROS20VSC. From the first touch, this palm sander feels purpose-built for finish carpenters and cabinet makers seeking clean finishes and efficiency. It targets professionals and serious DIYers who prioritize dust control, smooth finishes, and reliable performance across sessions without frequent pad changes. Build quality feels robust with a compact yet sturdy housing that promises longevity through regular workshop use and demanding tasks. An accompanying soft carrying bag adds portability and organization, making it easier to transport the sander between jobs or studios. Its compact footprint fits comfortably in the hand while maintaining balance enough to reduce fatigue during extended finishing sessions. Variable speed control paired with a broad no-load speed range lets you finesse delicate surfaces and aggressively remove material when needed. Hook and loop discs attach securely through thousands of hooks, maintaining pad alignment and resisting slip during heavy stock removal. A pad dampening system significantly reduces swirl marks, producing a smoother finish across both flat and contoured surfaces. During testing, it delivered consistent material removal with clean edges and minimal burnish while staying comfortable in hand over long sessions. Vibration control remains solid thanks to the pad dampening path, contributing to steadier guiding and reduced fatigue for extended finishing jobs. Compared with a rival DEWALT palm sander, the BOSCH shows superior dust management and a more durable pad system. The pros include robust build quality, exceptional dust containment efficiency, and exceptionally precise speed control for flawless finishes. The cons include a higher price point and slightly heavier handling compared with budget sanders, which may deter casual hobbyists seeking affordability. At number 1, we have the DEWALT DWE6421K. From the first use, this sander communicates durability and a design sensibility aimed at professionals who crave reliable performance under demanding conditions. The compact design allows unusually close proximity to the workpiece without sacrificing control or accuracy during detailed finishing tasks. A robust aluminum housing combined with a rubber overmold grip keeps the tool balanced and comfortable through extended sessions. Its shorter height enables better access to tight lines and curved profiles during detailed finishing, improving overall precision and control. Power comes from a 3-amp motor that spins the pad at 12,000 OPM, enabling rapid material removal with minimal bogging. A dedicated counterweight design minimizes vibration, supporting fatigue-free operation during long sanding sessions and preserving line consistency. Rubber overmold plus improved dust-sealed switch guard against dust intrusion, while the one-handed locking dust bag simplifies upkeep. The dust port is designed to fit directly with the DWV010 or DWV012 dust collector. For other vacuum systems with 1 1/4-inch hoses, use the DWV9000 universal quick connector. In real-world testing, the sander maintains a steady speed under load, delivering a smooth finish and consistent scratch patterns. Compared to a typical budget 5-inch orbital sander, this model offers significantly lower vibration and noticeably better dust control. The pros include robust build quality, excellent dust control, and notably low vibration. The cons include a higher price point for premium features and a slightly heavier weight when compared with budget entry-level sanders.